Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's another GTR video. Today I'm in the garage. Today I'm going to be installing the front mount intercooler that I got. It's an HPI EVOLVE Spec.R. That's a mouthful, but I've had it sitting in the basement for a couple of months. I've finally gotten a chance now to getting around to installing it. So sitting in the box is the intercooler. It comes with a template here in case you want to spray paint the EVOLVE logo on the front. Alright, I'm getting the front bumper off here. I actually have the grill already out. I'm not going to go through every single step here, but I'll just show you essentially the bolts, or I'll show you where all the fasteners are, that way you'll know what to take apart. On the grill, if you're lucky like me and you still have all your clips, which are not broken, let me see if you can see that better. See, I still have all the clips on mine and they're not broken. You have to be really careful as you start to push on them because they're very old. But basically you push down on the top of this clip, so push down, and that will release them and allow you to slide this out. And they fit down into these little bits right here. One goes there. Oh, it's kind of dark. There you go, you can see that there, and then two on the headlights. Then on the bumper there are three. I've already removed them, but there are three here. You have to remove the corner light, so you have to take out that screw, and you have to take out that screw. And when you remove the corner light, you pull it straight out. That's how it comes out. Then on the bumper, down here, you can see there is a little clip, so you have to remove that one. There's one on the other side as well. And then here on the bumper, right in there, there's a little screw. You remove that screw from here. And then down here underneath, there are a bunch of little screws here, here, all the way across down there, and even up under here. I think there are a few that you probably can't see very well because it's dark. But yeah, up under here as well. So you remove all of those and the bumper comes right off the front. And then you'll have access to the intercooler. Also, one other clip, once you get the corner light out, is actually right here. It's the same style. It's the little Phillips head plastic. You remove that one out. There's one on the other side as well. Don't forget to get those. Alright, we got the front bumper off. Not too much difficulty with that, just a little bit tedious. So we've got a few bolts. There's not a whole lot that actually holds this on, but right here you obviously got to undo the intercooler coupler, and then over here on the passenger side got to undo these, and then this bolt here. Alright, so in order to move the front bumper bar, you have to go down in here. You remove, this is a bolt, and just to the left of it is a nut. So just those two on both sides, and it basically loosens this thing up, and you'll be able to take it off of there. Pretty straightforward. Voila! Taking that thing off, it's really better to pull both the intercooler and that off at the same time, because the intercooler is actually attached in these mounts right here. These little pieces are sticking up in the top of there, so it's kind of easier to put the whole thing off, take the whole thing off together. Alright, so I got them up next to each other here. It's about the same size. Looks like it's a little bit wider, a little bit thicker. Standard intercooler is about 60 millimeters. HPI intercooler is 72. So it's 12 millimeters thicker. 72. Nice. This intercooler is 23.5 inches. HPI is also 23.5 inches. This is 10 3/4. And this one is 11 3/4. So this one is actually just about an inch taller than this one. They're the same width. Now we'll get to mounting it up. Alright, so everything is removed now. The HPI intercooler comes with this little bracket that has to be added. You basically have to remove that little bolt and then put this bracket in, and then the intercooler has a little bolt that sits down through to secure it to the top. I'm going to leave that loose for now until I get everything put back in there, and then yeah, then we'll be good. So let's put the new intercooler back in. Clamps on, it's in place mostly. Now we just got to get it bolted down. Alright, well, as you can see, I got the intercooler installed now and the bash bars back on. It looks awesome. Anyway, I basically run out of time tonight, so I'm going to have to finish up another day. It's actually not too difficult. I'm going pretty slow because I've never done this before, so I'm taking my time as I go through. But anyway, it's working pretty well. Like I said, I'll finish this up another day, and then I'll film everything at the very end and show you guys.